Hi, today I will show you how to use and attach my camera strap. I will show you. This you will get the buckle and the leather. Okay. Start. Step 1. Put the buckle. Put the nylon in the buckle. About it. Okay. See this? And the next step, put the letter in here. Okay, you will see this. 1, 2, 3. And number 4. Nylon. 1, 2, 3, 4. And go back 5. One, 2, 3, 4, and go back 5. After this, go in here. Go to number 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go back to number 1 again. Go to number 1, see, and go to number 2. Okay, you will see this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go back to number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you move letter a little bit, and now okay, you see this. Okay, you see this. You can adjust a little bit if you want. You can adjust if you want longer or shorter. Okay, if you cannot do it, please find someone, maybe they can help you. Okay, I think it's not difficult, but I try to explain it. This is a finished two side already. If you can do two side, you will see the nylon will keep under the leather. Now it's perfect already.